What's up, guys? I am Howie.
I'm Megan.
And this is the Go Ride channel. Alright, so today we are headed, packed up, going to Laguna Seca to watch the World Superbike Races. Got me, there's Mommy, and there's the baby bear. Hopefully you're not pooping or anything right now. Bike is on a trailer behind the truck. We are all loaded up, ready to go. So I'm going to interrupt this B-roll with just a little update on what's going on with the channel. Obviously I haven't posted a video in a while. I've just been exceptionally busy since the Quail Motorcycle Show. That's something every weekend for like 6 or 7 weekends in a row, whether it's graduations, graduation parties, etc. So I haven't been around much, but the channel is still here. I am still working on the KDX. Don't fall over camera. Bumpy ass roads. Still working on the KDX, doing the best I can to put together a video on the fork rebuild, and hopefully you'll see something there. Videos are going to get a little more infrequent just because I'm now commuting again for work a lot further than I was before, so it just leaves me a little bit less time with the family, and sorry guys, they take priority. Alright, so we got down here, everything's all good. We are now taking off, and we're going to go find the track, just do a little dry run so I know where I'm going when I don't have GPS on the bike. And candidly, it's been over 10 years since I've been in this track. Last time I went to this track I was 19 years old. So yeah, we're going to check it out. So we made it. This is the track. We're just trying to get a feel for things today, so that way, you know, I kind of sort it out tomorrow. Look at that, Nikki Hayden's number flying. That's beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna tomorrow. Let me roll this window up so you can hear me. Tomorrow we're gonna take the little one to the aquarium. I'm probably not gonna come to the track for most of the day. I'm going to come in the evening, see some of the open practice, and get a feel for Ducati Island. And then also there's a Ducati track walk in the evening that I really want to go on. And so that's going to be about it. That's where I'm going to end the vlog for today. Get out there, go ride.